Hey guys, this is R.V.C and I'm back again with another video. I had the chance to grab the BlackBerry Keyone in 2018 and I have used it for a couple of weeks as my daily driver. But how does this stack up in 2018? And is it worth buying it now? Well, let's find out. In my previous video, I took a challenge of filming my next video with the Keyone Smooth Q. So this entire video is shot with the Smooth Q and the HTC 10. Anyway, let's proceed. Many people have asked me why I use a BlackBerry in 2018, and they always ask questions like, does it even have Instagram or other apps? This is an Android-based smartphone and it runs Android 7, so all applications are available in the Play Store. With the Snapdragon 625 chipset, the phone runs smooth and applications open fast. I haven't seen any lag since I started using it. Let's get one thing clear. This is a business smartphone and I don't expect anyone to game on this device. Heavy gaming will definitely show some hiccups, but overall performance is really awesome. The 12 megapixel camera can capture 720p to 1080p at 24, 30 and 60 fps, while 4K at 24 and 30 fps. The video is great, but it lacks OIS. So you just have to rely on the EIS. The photos taken with the Keyone are amazing. All my photos are taken with HDR enabled. Packing a 3505 mAh battery and Snapdragon 625 chipset, this is a champ. The battery life is amazing. I haven't been able to exhaust the battery in a day. It's not the best, but it will definitely last you the whole day. As earlier mentioned, this is not a gaming device, just keep that in mind. If you like physical keyboard or you have used a BlackBerry before, you will definitely love the experience here. The keyboard doesn't make any typing faster, but more accurate. The keyboard gestures from the passport and the Priv are all carried here, and in addition, the BlackBerry packed a fingerprint scanner on the spacebar. So for the big question, is it worth buying in 2018? Well, this is a solid device with amazing build quality, awesome battery life, great camera and good performance. I would recommend it, but with the price above $500, I think it's way overpriced. You can get better high-end spec devices for that price. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.